Unboxing your VOLT 4 hearing aids. Remove the box from the sleeve. Lift the flap to open the box. You'll find a packet of information on top. These documents contain a lot of useful information on how to get the most out of your hearing aids. Please read them in their entirety. The VOLT 4 hearing aids are housed in their charging case. The left aid is on the left, and the right aid is on the right. There are small comfort tips installed on your VOLT 4 upon arrival. The VOLT 4 comes with several helpful accessories in the accessories box. These include the power adapter, charging cord, and cleaning tool. After unwrapping your power adapter and USB charging cable, plug your USB charging cable into the power adapter. Plug the other end into the VOLT 4 charging case. Please charge your VOLT 4 hearing aids for 2 hours prior to use. Your VOLT 4 hearing aids come with everything you need to get started on the road to better hearing. For additional assistance, please contact MD Hearing Support at support@mdhearingaid.com or by calling 800-918-3914.